So you just got your teeth professionally cleaned, and your mouth feels like it's never been this smooth. But you're wondering, is there anything you actually need to do now? Or can you just go about your day? And honestly, most patients walk out of that appointment with zero instructions, which is exactly why so many people end up confused about the sensitivity, the slight bleeding, or why their gums feel a bit tender for a day or two. So let's fix that. Starting with the 3 questions almost every patient asks right after a cleaning. First, is it normal for my gums to bleed a little afterward? And yes, mild bleeding for a few hours is completely normal, especially if it's been a while since your last cleaning, because the gum tissue was inflamed and the instruments disturbed that. Second, why do my teeth feel so sensitive to cold right now? And that's because the cleaning removes a layer of plaque and tartar that was actually insulating the tooth surface. So for a day or two, the tooth is more exposed to temperature changes than usual. Third, can I eat straight after my appointment? And the honest answer is you can, but you'll want to be smart about what, which we'll get into now. Here's what's actually happening biologically. Because understanding this makes the instructions make sense. Instead of feeling like arbitrary rules, a scale and polish removes hardened plaque, called calculus, from both above and below the gum line. And in doing so, it physically disturbs the gum tissue that had been irritated and inflamed around that buildup. So for the next 24 to 48 hours, your gums are essentially healing from a very minor, controlled irritation, similar to how skin feels tender after removing something that's been pressing on it for weeks. And this is also why your teeth might look and feel slightly different, almost like there's a thin film gone. A professional cleaning should be done twice a year or every 6 months to maintain gum health. Calculus left around the gum line too long and lead to gum disease, which is a burden on the body system. Now let's bust 3 myths that cause more harm than the cleaning itself. Myth 1. You should avoid brushing your teeth the day of your cleaning. False. You should absolutely keep brushing and flossing as normal. Gentle brushing actually helps the healing process, and there's no reason to skip your routine. Myth 2. Sensitivity after a cleaning means something went wrong. False. Mild sensitivity for 24 to 72 hours is a normal healing response. Not a red flag, it only becomes a concern if it persists beyond a few days or worsens. Myth 3. You need to rinse with mouthwash immediately to disinfect the area. False. And this one actually surprises people. Alcohol-based mouthwash right after a cleaning can irritate already sensitive gum tissue. So it's better held off for a day. Plain warm salt water is the better choice in that first 24 hours. So here are 3 pieces of advice to follow after any cleaning. First, stick to lukewarm foods and drinks for the first few hours, avoiding extremes of hot or cold if you're sensitive. Second, continue brushing twice daily and flossing as normal, being gentle rather than skipping it entirely. Third, if you experience sensitivity, a soft bristled toothbrush and a desensitizing toothpaste used for a week or 2 afterward can make a real difference. The bottom line is this: a scale and polish is one of the simplest, safest procedures in dentistry, and the vast majority of what you feel afterward is your gum tissue healing from irritation that was already there before you walked in, not something the cleaning caused. So keep your normal oral hygiene routine. Be gentle for the first day or 2. And if you notice bleeding, swelling, or sensitivity lasting more than about a week, that's your cue to check in with your dentist, because that's outside the range of normal healing. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more straightforward dental guidance and drop any questions you have below.